Welcome to the Natural Health and Life channel. Like the video and click subscribe for more health tips. For most people, losing weight can be an incredibly frustrating experience. Obesity can lead to many health risks, such as cardiovascular disease, diabetes, high blood pressure and even cancer. There are many dangerous and ineffective gimmicks about how to lose fat. However, there are several natural methods that have actually been proven to work. To eliminate the stubborn fatty layers from your body, you only need to consume a glass of this drink before bedtime. Bedtime Fat Burning Drink. This drink will boost your metabolism rate and burn fat as you sleep. It's easy to prepare and has proved effective in eliminating excess belly fat. If consumed regularly every night, it can bring great results within a short period of time. Ingredients: 1 cucumber, a bunch of parsley or cilantro, 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, half a glass of water. Instructions: mix all the ingredients in a juicer and consume the drink before going to bed. Regular consumption of this mixture will reduce those stubborn belly fats in no time. Including cucumbers in your diet helps you lower your calorie intake to shed pounds. Due to its high water and fiber content, it can flush out toxins and speed up metabolism. Parsley and cilantro are both high in vitamins, minerals and nutrients, but low in calories. Their components help ease water retention without causing stomach discomfort or bloating. Lemon is a great ingredient to naturally flush out all toxins accumulated in the body. Fat metabolism increases once the system is free of waste and toxins. When this happens, the process of melting fat will be much faster. Ginger promotes digestion and can accelerate metabolism. All compounds found in ginger makes you feel full, making you eat less. As a natural appetite suppressant, consuming ginger is one of the best ways to aid in the weight loss process. Aloe vera juice consists of natural antioxidants, which reduce inflammatory processes and delay the growth of free radicals in the body. Moreover, it stimulates the metabolic rate, resulting in consumption of more energy. This process reduces and stabilizes the body mass index. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family. For more health tips, subscribe to our channel.